Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm creating this really soft, romantic, girly kind of makeup look for Valentine's Day. Whether you are celebrating virtually or it's in person, you can still look nice and glam. And honestly, with everything going on in the world right now, I feel like we need things to look forward to and little things to get dressed and ready for, and just a little pick-me-up to make ourselves feel good, even if it is with the girls as well. So get up, get dressed, put your makeup on, join me, and let's get on with it. I mean, how cute. How cute is that? Thank you, Nars. Thank you, just, you know, it's just made my day looking at that balloon in the background. I wish I had two, but yeah, I've only got one because Nars sent this freaking insane package. I mean, this case is just, let's not even talk about it because it's just so good. Right, so let's get this bad boy Claudette open. So Francois Nars, which is the owner of Nars Cosmetics, is has dedicated this collection to his mum, and her name is Claudette, and he is giving out the love to his mama. Valentine's is not all about, you know, your man, your bae. It's about giving love. Fun fact, since I was a young girl, as far as I can remember, like since I've been able to have pocket money and like go and physically buy something by myself, so maybe like 12, 13, every single year I have bought my mum a rose for Valentine's Day. She is always my Valentine's. She will forever be my Valentine's, and it's just something I've always kept up, like no matter what. And if I was at uni and I couldn't be near her, I would send her a rose because she was still gonna get one, because I know my dad ain't gonna buy no damn rose, so I was doing it. So yeah, this collection is basically just really like romantic and soft and subtle. So that's kind of the vibe I want to go for. I've not actually got any bronzer on right now, so I'm just going to start with my MAC Give Me Sun as usual, just to warm up my skin a touch. And I'm, to be honest, not going to go that crazy with it, just a little bit, just to warm up my cheeks. And that's about it really, because there's a really lovely blusher in this collection. It's a blush duo, and on one side you've got more of like a deep pink, and the other side it's like a nice peachy pink. I just think this is so gorgeous. And another thing, this pan is huge. You get a huge mirror in there. It's also nice and streamlined. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to get this blush on. I think what I'm gonna do is just mix the shades like this, and then just pop them on my cheeks and brush them up towards my temples a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the lighter shade, but this is lovely. It's really like soft and romantic. This is giving me like nice sort of flushed cheeks. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my nose, and then I'm gonna go in with some highlight. And at the moment I've actually fallen, well, I've never fallen out of love with it, but I'm just using it a whole lot more again, and it's Becca Champagne Pop. You just cannot go wrong with this, and I feel like it's a staple. It's a product that so many of us already own, and if you don't own this, like, and you've never owned it, babe, please, it's an investment. Like, no joke, it's an investment into your like makeup kit. I'm just gonna go ahead and really lightly dust this on. I just want a little bit at the tops of my cheeks, just to give me a nice little subtle glow. Ooh, just a little bit. And I always take way less around the rest of my face, but a little bit here and there just to add to the glow. Can I just say, this Nars blush is so cute. Like, normally I don't go for these sorts of pinky shades, but it's like a pinky peach, but with a bit more pink in it. And I normally go for like really peach tones, but this is really like giving me cute, girly, I don't know, like really romantic vibes. Sorry, back onto the highlights. So I'm also gonna take some just down my nose. So then I've got the eyeshadow palette that comes in this collection. Again, super cute. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Really lovely wearable shades. Again, really nice and classic. I think what I want to do, I don't know what I want to do, but they're so beautiful. Oh wow. So I'm just gonna go into this shade first. It's almost like brick kind of color. And I'm just going to start blending this into the outer corner of the eye. This shade is so nice because if you build it up, you're gonna get a really nice deep tone. But if you softly blend it out, you get a nice sort of transition color with it as well. So it's really nice and faded out here, but it's got a nice deeper sort of tone just on the outer corners of my eye. And then I'm gonna go into this nice golden shade from the palette, just on my finger. And I want a little bit of sparkle. I'm just gonna pop this on with my finger. And I want it to be really, really like nice and soft. Like almost like effortless. Like, oh no, I didn't just spend ages doing my makeup. And then I'm gonna mix a bit of this shade as well. So the gold and the kind of silvery tone just kind of pop together. I think that's much better. Guys, what are you doing for Valentine's? I know not everyone can be, you know, with the people that they want to be, or the person that they want to be with, or doing whatever they want to do. It is different, a bit like everything that we're doing this year, or the last 2 years now. Is it 2 years? No, year. Oh my God. Everything just like is different, and we've adapted to doing things differently. But yeah, what are you doing? Like, are you doing something over Zoom? Are you doing a Galentine's thing? Let me know. You could actually just inspire someone else in the comments, which could be cute. And then I think I'm gonna take this shade that's in the center, which isn't as metallic as the other shades. It is metallic, but it's not as glittery. And I'm just gonna pop that on the inner corners, just to give it like a nice, fresh, awake look, and take it right into the inner corners here. And then to keep with the soft romantic feel, I'm gonna go in with pencil liner, and this is a brown one by Nars. This is Mambo, and it's a nice brown shade. Their high pigment long wear eye pencils are literally insane, some of the best. And I'm just gonna run this along my lash line, and I'm just gonna take it all the way across my lash line. And then you just want to use a nice pencil brush just to kind of soften that edge out and soften that liner just along the edge. And I'm also going to use that same pencil to just run in my waterline and along the lower lash line. And just using the same pencil brush to just soften along the edge. I really like that eye pencil because it's like a reddy brown, so it really complements that sort of outer corner color that is kind of just peeping through, but it's also very, very complementary to my brown eyes. And if you've got green or hazel eyes, this kind of reddy brown pencil in your waterline and just to line your eyes is honestly gonna make your eye color pop. So I've just popped on some mascara, and I've used this Marc Jacobs at Lashed mascara, which I really, really like, but I think it's drying out now, which is so annoying. I'm gonna put on some falsies, but I'm going to go for something a little bit simple and nothing too intense. And I'm loving just using outer corner lashes. I feel like they just lift your eyes. They're really minimal, but they have a lot of impact. And again, just going with that soft, effortless, and sort of romantic vibe. So I've got the Tatti lashes in TL Jamie 2, and I've already cut them in half, as you can see. So I'm going to take the front bit of the lash, and that front bit is going to go on the back, on the end of your lash line, because it's thinner on the inner corner, obviously because that's where the lash like starts, and then it kind of fans out because it starts to get thicker as it goes like further along. So it actually looks really nice on the outer corner. So that's what I do. And for anyone that struggles with falsies and strip lashes, but you need like a little lift, or you want a little lift, no one needs anything, but if you want it, then you can try doing it this way. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just drop these right on the outer corner. See, they just give like a nice little lift on the outer corner. Okay, lastly, time for some lipstick, which I'm so excited about because I already have a favorite lipstick shade from this collection, and it is called Anais, whatever. It's this sort of like pinky nude, and it is, oh, just absolutely stunning. It's like kind of a nude, but kind of like a peachy lipstick. There are some beautiful shades in this collection. There's a nice red, which would really go with this look right now, but I'm not trying to do that. There's this shade, which is like a orangey red. Ugh, it's just, again, just stunning. And then there's like a nice, it's like a pinky red. Oh my God. What else have we got? Then we've got like a nice sort of glossy nude right there. And then, a deep burgundy. Right, enough of that. Let's get a little bit of this Morphe Sweet Tea lip pencil on, because it's a trusty lip pencil. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this lipstick on all over my lips. This is more like it's a proper pinky nude. It's like a nice light pink. And I never really wear these shades, but this is really, really nice. And finally, would it be me if I didn't put gloss on? Probably not. So I've got this Pat McGrath gloss in the shade Peach Perversion, and I'm just gonna put this on all over my lips. Right, guys, I'm feeling rather romantic. No, I'm not, I'm joking. But I am feeling like I've got a nice, soft, cute, pretty glam. It needs to just be completed with my Fix Plus Magic Radiance. Honestly, I feel like this has changed the game. This really does give you radiance. And if you want that glow from within kind of vibe, this is going to be your best friend, trust me. Like, it's just different to the original Fix Plus. Guys, now that the Fix Plus has settled on my skin, can you please tell me you can see radiance? Please, because I can see it. Like, I'm actually glowing. It honestly makes your makeup, your highlighter, everything come alive. Like, what have they put in here? Mac, what have you done? Honestly, it's like freaking glow crack in here. And it's not glittery either. It's not iridescent. It's like the meaning of radiance is in that bottle. Wow. Anyway, now I know no one can smell you through Zoom, but it's important to still smell good. So I'm gonna finish it off with a perfume, just because I feel like, I mean, it's nice to wear perfume on a daily, but especially when it's an occasion or you're dressed up and you're glam, it's kind of like the last step of getting ready. You're dressing yourself, you know? So that also includes dressing yourself in fragrance. So I'm going to use my Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede cologne, and I love this. This is so fresh and girly, and it smells lovely. So whether it's your partner that's going to be smelling you in person, or your girls, or you got to walk past your mum and dad to get to the laptop and, you know, get through the third gas smell, you're gonna smell good, and someone's gonna notice. Okay guys, so that is my virtual Valentine's Day makeup look. Also, you can wear this if it is not virtual and you actually get to be in person with someone. But yeah, I hope you like it. It's really easy, nice and soft. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. If you want to see more tutorials, leave your thoughts and comments down below. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, join the family, and also get me on TikTok, Instagram. Everything is going to be listed down below in the description box. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.